Hi everybody, I hope you are doing great. One of my students was saying that, sir, whenever I try to speak in English, some people try to demotivate me. They pull my leg. They say like, you are in government school. How can you speak in English so confidently? You do not have that English ambience, that English atmosphere. So how can you make it? So sometimes I doubt, मुझे लगता है that will I be able to make it? So what I want to say to that child or to everybody जिनके माइंड में ये आता है कि भाई सच में क्या मैं कर भी पाऊंगा. So I have noticed one thing that people who have done nothing in that particular field वो ही ऐसी बातें करते हैं. Just for example, अगर आप जाते हो, if you go to Virat Kohli and say that I want to become a cricketer, so I don't think that he will ever say, "Arey, it's very difficult thing. It's not everybody's cup of tea. You cannot become a cricketer. बहुत मुश्किल है ये." I think he will be telling the some techniques, or he will tell you, yes, you need to work hard, and one day you will be, doing that. Or for other example, like if you go to the legendary singer Sonu Nigam, so I don't think that he will say, "Arey, no, 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 singing sur, it takes years to learn." हाँ, obviously time लगता है, but he won't demotivate you. He will definitely be encouraging you, and he won't say that, "Oh, it's an uphill task. You can't do that." तो what my point is, जो लोग जानते हैं they will always motivate you. जिन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया है they always demotivate you. तो आपको डिमोटिवेट होने की जरूरत नहीं है. You need to take that steps and just be in a good company where you are learning, you are thriving. ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहिए. Be gregarious. ऐसे लोगों से मिलिए जो थोड़े मिलनसार हैं, सामाजिक हैं, जो बातें करते हैं और जो आपको encourage करते हैं. ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ रहिए, and then you will definitely be able to speak in English, because end of the day it's just a language. If I can, you also can. Thank you.